With only 30 days left for the coming June FMG exam 2026, what we should do and what we should not do is very important. डॉक्टर साहब, अगर आप अभी सोच रहे हो कि लास्ट 30 डेज को कैसे मैक्सिमम यूटिलाइज करना है, तो देर आर सम टिप्स दैट आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू टुडे. हाय, दिस इज डॉक्टर स्मिता एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू बी डिस्कसिंग how to give your FMG with best approach, how to use these last 30 days to give your best attempt for your FMG exam. So you clear in first attempt, obviously. तो पहली चीज तो आपको ये करनी है कि do not give GTs in last 15 days. This is what I suggest because somehow makes you panic more. अगर तुमने अंडर वेरी मच एंशियस कंडीशंस GT दे दिया और you have a bad score, then it weakens your morale. तो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि लास्ट 15 डेज में GT देने का कोई खास फायदा नहीं है, ऑल्दो इसके नुकसान ज़्यादा हैं. Rather than giving GTs, you try giving more MCQs, like you try solving more MCQs. So that is the first point that I want you to understand. Do not give GT in last 15 days. Also, how to revise a subject is, once you start revising a subject, when you are going to sit and revise a subject, I would want you to sit for 5 minutes and think about that subject, that what are the high yield things in that subject that you have to revise. By now you should be knowing what are the high yield things of each subject before revising it. I hope you know it, and if you don't, we have a series going on Instagram where we give you a PDF every day for high yield topics of every subject. You can go and check it out on the official page of Iconic for FMG on our Instagram handle. If you do not know which are the high yields yet, then it is very likely that you are going to read a lot, but you're going to mark a lot of wrong questions as well. So please know your high yields. Please think about it before starting any subject so that you have a clarity. Okay? Other than that, more MCQs, less GT. No GTs after, like in last 15 days, no GT at all. Right now, I would not ask you to study for 4-6 hours because 4-6 hours studying is not something that I did, so I do not recommend that. अभी आपको 10 से 12 घंटे पढ़ने की ज़रूरत है. Give as much time as you can to what you have already read. Do not read new things. जो आपने already पढ़ के रखा हुआ है, उसको दोबारा से पढ़िए, उसको री-रिवाइज करिए. उसको ही रिवाइज करने से आपका जो बिल्डअप है ना, वो स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा. अभी नई चीज़ पढ़ के ना वो इफेक्टिव नहीं होगी, एग्जाम में वो वैसे भी याद नहीं आएगी. तो आपने ऑलरेडी अभी तक जो पढ़ा है अपने प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग, अपनी स्ट्रैटेजी के अकॉर्डिंग, उसको अच्छे से रिवाइज करिए, सो दैट ऐसा ना हो कि आप क्वेश्चन लगाएं और आपका यार ये तो पढ़ा था लेकिन फिर भी लास्ट 2 ऑप्शंस में कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है क्योंकि रिवाइज ढंग से नहीं किया था, विच इज़ वॉट ऑलमोस्ट एवरीवन डज, विच इज़ वॉट आई हैव डन. यू मस्ट हैव डन ऑल्सो इफ यू हैव गिवन बिफोर FMG या एनी अदर एग्जाम. So these are few things that you need to remember, and please focus on these things. These are very important things, and wishing you all the best. This is your host Dr. Smita, and I hope you pass this FMG 2026. Please keep watching this channel, and we will upload more such tips and high yield stuff on this platform only, so you can make best of. Thank you so much.